Michael is a construction manager who has done several real estate projects over the years. In the previous months, Michael has noticed a strange trend of increase in the prices of stones used in construction, and this has been happening across all the major brands in the industry and has affected the cost of doing his project. Michael meets his friend, at a local coffee shop, who undertakes similar projects and shares the same sentiments. They note that in 1 month, 3 significant dealers in stones have adjusted their prices more than thrice and that the price adjustments among the key players are similar. In particular, they are worried that if left unchecked, the unpredictable pricing of construction raw materials will interfere with their contracts and expose them to potential lawsuits if they do not meet their contractual obligations. All this time, Michelle, a lawyer, was listening to the woes of her friends in the construction industry. Michelle interjects and informs Michael that they may be facing a severe breach of Kenya's competition law, which prohibits price fixing and other practices that restrict trade. Michelle explains that price fixing occurs when rival companies agree not to sell their products below a specific price. She states that the regulatory authority in Kenya has fined companies for similar actions in the market in the recent past. Michael and his friends are amazed as they are oblivious of their consumer rights and the protection the law affords them. He vows to lodge a formal complaint with the regulatory authority. Michael, just like many other Kenyans, is oblivious to the rights they have as consumers. Through the Competition Act of Kenya and the Consumer Protection Act, the law seeks to protect consumers from cartel-like prices from industry players. The acts require manufacturers to provide consumers with precise product information and ensure they meet required quality standards. The Constitution of Kenya protects these rights under Article 46. Any person whose consumer rights have been violated or who suspects that there is an element of restrictive trade practices by industry players may lodge a formal complaint by the bodies established by the Consumer Protection Act and Competition Act or with the courts of the country. So next time you suspect foul play in the pricing of materials by industry players, visit a competition law expert.